Hello, very good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to the next part of video in the Playwright for with JavaScript series. Okay, right, we are posting some series of videos where we are learning Playwright with JavaScript. Last video we saw about how to record a write video evidence with the help of Playwright with JavaScript. In this video, we are going to see how to handle a frame, right, and how to drag and drop with the help of Playwright with JavaScript. Okay, so let me add a code. Okay, frame handling. Okay, I'm also going to add a Java drag and drop with this code. Okay, so now I've just created one simple JavaScript file frame handling. Okay, and let me write type this one jQuery invite. Okay, so let me go to the site and then let me go to droppable. Okay, I want to drag here and drop here. Okay, so that's a right idea behind this right particular video. For this, if you see there is a box, I need to jump inside the frame. Okay, I need to jump inside the frame. How to know it's a whether it's a frame or not? We should right click, inspect, and right it will be under a frame iframe tag. If the particular element is located within the iframe tag, then we should handle the frame, otherwise we can't locate that particular whatever operation which you are going to do. Okay, first we need to handle a frame, then we need to do whatever operation. Okay, otherwise it will throw no such element exception, or whatever exception which you normally have, right. So that in Selenium we used to get no such element exception. Here, it won't locate the particular element. Okay, now let's we need to go into the iframe, then we need to jump it. Okay, so let's go to the previous code. Okay, let me go to this code and just copy the basic line of code. Okay, so instead of doing from the start, we'll just do some smarter. Okay, so now I'll just paste this code. Okay, what I'll do some editing. Okay, so I'll remove the video content here, and then I will remove this one. Okay, so I just use the same code which we did last time. So I imported chromium write package for write from the playwright, and for the launching the chromium browser. Next one is I use async for write waiting each write function or condition, whatever you are going to do it, right, it's going to wait by default playwright as async, there where we can wait for each functionality or operation which you are going to do in application. Next one is we are going to launch a chromium browser here, and we are going to launch a chromium browser and atlas equal to false. Next one is I am going to create and write a new page. Right, I am going to create a new context into the page. Okay, so this is the default one. Okay, so I'm going to do it. Then next I'm going to add the go to this particular application. Okay, let me change it. Okay, I'm going to droppable now. Okay, so this or write this up URL, I'm going to launch it, then I need to handle a frame. Okay, so now let me go instead of context.new page, I will the browser.page. Okay, now I'll just giving first, right, I'm just launching an chromium browser, and I'm just going to create a new page, and then I need to navigating to the jQueryui.com, and in that I'm going to go to the link droppable. Okay, now I need to handle a frame, right, for example constant. Okay, frame equal to page start. Okay, I'm going to use frame locator. There is one method called as frame locator. Then I'm going to go for it, and then I'm going to go for a double quotes. Okay, Now I'll give semicolon, then I'll go here. Okay, then I have, right, see. Then you have, it's in the frame iframe, right? Then you have a class name there. So I'll give a tag name dot class name. Okay, so I'll give there, for example, right, I'll give iframe dot. So I'll take an, right, a tag name dot class name. I'll take a locator. Okay, now I'll just took a class name here. Okay, so we are going to switch into the iframe demo frame now. Then I'm going to write drag and drop. Now we are right from here, we went inside the frame now with this line of code. Okay, with this line of code we switch from right, the main window to the frame we jumped, and then we need to, right, perform drag and drop here. Okay, so now I'll give source equal to frame. So we are going inside the frame, and I'm just locating first, right. Okay, I think I should have an ID. Let me locate this one. Okay, I have an ID. For ID, right, we can use hash. Okay, for locating an ID, we can use hash, then draggable. Okay, I just located, right, drag. Now I need to locate the drop also. I'll just copy it, and I will change it to dest. Okay, now I'll go here and I locate the drop also. Okay, id droppable, so droppable, there is an right id there, attribute id, so we'll locate with that. Now I'm going here and I'm going to give droppable. Okay, so I just located both the source and the destination here. Source is draggable, and right designation is right droppable. Okay, after that what I'm going to do is, right, I'm just going to drag and drop. Okay, for that I will give await to await. Okay, next one is source dot drag to, there is one method called as drag to, then I will give dst to the designation. Okay, the locator which we used. Okay, so it's going to drag and drop it. Then I will, there is no context, I didn't add any context. Now it's going to close it. Okay, so okay, now we can add the screenshot code also if you need. Okay, let me copy this. I will write, paste it. Okay, let me give drag and drop. Okay, so let me give drag and drop. Let me save the file. Okay, now let me go to terminal. I go to the folder, frame handling .js. Okay, so I will run it. So you can see, right, it switched from frame, it dragged and dropped. You can see the output, right, it dragged and dropped and it closed. Okay, so this is how we can handle frames, and we can also handle the mouse operation, that is drag and drop, with the help of Playwright with right JavaScript. And you should have taken right, right screenshot also, and it took a screenshot also. Okay, so this is how we can handle right, drag and drop functionality and frame handling with the help of Playwright JavaScript. Okay, first we need to switch into frames. and then we need to locate the source target with the help of locator method. And next we need to locate the destination method with the locator, and I used id. So since I used id, I used hash here, and then I use drag to method from moving from dragging from source to destination. Okay, we use a method called as drag to in Playwright with JavaScript. Okay, and I took a screenshot, full page screenshot, and I closed the browser. Okay, hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching this video. Meet you soon in the next part of video. Have a nice day.